You guys have a child of your own. Thanks, sweetheart. Just get here as fast as you can, okay? Do what he said, Maxie. Just breathe. Oh, my kitty. Nathan, what are you doing? Oh my God, is all that from Levi? Did you have to get stitches?
No, I don't think it's just a bird stuff.
I really felt terrible. Not that I don't feel terrible already. Oh my God, you're never gonna guess why I'm here. Diane called me. My hearing was supposed to be tomorrow, but
It got moved to today.
how do you know that?
Judge Walters requested that I be a part of it. Why are you here?
I thought it was time that Mia and I talked.
About?
Sam has a problem with me staying here. Isn't that right?
ABC's General Hospital, brought to you by the maker of Dixie Ultra.
This ain't some mamby-pamby paper plate. It's Dixie Ultra. Strong enough to look a ribeye straight in the eye. It doesn't take flat from a flapjack, and it's never back down from a loaded baked potato. Dixie Ultra is 10 times stronger than ordinary paper plate, so it never wins out. And an exclusive soap-proof shield means foods don't soak through. That's why Dixie Ultra doesn't take any lip from a saucy lasagna. Dixie Ultra, one tough paper plate that can handle even your heaviest, messiest meals.
Maybe traveling for work sounds glamorous, but have you been on an airplane lately?
Very much think a lot, honey.
I really wouldn't survive it without this scarf. Tide Plus Febreze, it gets it fresher for longer.
Get right in here, huh?
Tide Plus Febreze,